How to add media to your HTML editor. In the previous video, I've created a label here in blue and highlighted in yellow. And what I will do is place a picture underneath and probably a few other elements, graphical elements, maybe if I wanted to. And on the right hand side of every single one of the activities and resources that I've got within my dummy course page, you've got an edit link, and this allows you to edit back what you've created or what you've added within your course Moodle course page. So click on edit settings, and I'm back to the HTML editor with the text box here that I've just clicked on, and the set of options here. And the options that we are going to concentrate on are those ones here. By the default and pictures, you can see that one is just to add a picture, smileys, videos, and things like that. If I click on the first one, which is to add a picture, you've got three tabs at the top, one for general, appearance, and advanced. If it's straight from the internet and you know the location of that picture, you can place it there. Or if it's within your system, you know your picture and you saved it within your system, you just click on find or upload an image. Once you've clicked on that, you come directly into a file picker, and as a default, you'll be on upload a file. We'll go through in details with the file picker on another video, but for now, we concentrate on the file picker and upload a file. And this is just to access your system, so your PC, your laptop, your hard drive, a physical system. Now what I'll do, I'll select a random picture. And choose that picture. You can see that the picture, you have a preview, and the preview will be actually really big. I think it's a really high resolution picture. You can click straight from here on appearances, and you can see the number of pixels. That's 4,400 pixels by 3,000 pixels. This is quite large. It's even larger than the Moodle page here. By default, I think the resolution screen within the college are 1009 by 1002 pixels. So I think for matter of decency and having a nice layout within my page, I'm just going to reduce that by let's say 400. And you can see here I've left the constraint proportion. If I click out of that, it will size it up for me. Let's see the preview. Still big, but let's insert it still and see if it has changed anything. Are you sure you want to continue without including any image description? Without it, the image may not be accessible to some users with disability. Yeah, so this option is basically to write an image description of what is. Let's say the person is blind and cannot actually see the page, and with the accessibility option, if you write an image description, it will actually read out that what's the picture about. Click OK, and you can still see here it does resize the picture fairly well. I can still resize it manually by clicking once on the picture, and you can see that picture is highlighted with some dots all around, not dots but squares. I can resize it like this if I wanted to, and making a tad more closer to the size of the text here above. I can go back to those options and see what they are by clicking the picture icon. The picture is selected. Now I've got URL address of that picture, so it's saved within Moodle itself. I can see the size. I can even have some options. So these are some options that you can add to your Moodle page. I will go into that in a separate video. I click on the update button and save and return to the course. And there it is. We've got the picture added within that label. Thank you for following this video.